In this video, I'm going to show you how powerful UDFs are within DAX. To start with, we're simply summing our actuals, and here we can see the various line names such as product, research and development, and sales and marketing. I'm now going to add in our UDF function. We can see the actuals have been transformed to produce the full P&L. Furthermore, I can now replace this with the plan figures. The way this is modelled is very simple. We have our layout for our P&L, which is linked to our account, which is then linked to our ledger. We also have a second model where our layout and account are connected to the scenario. The layout table simply contains the line names, the type of calculation it is, and for the subtotals it shows the from and to keys, which relate to the income statement keys. The UDF that's being called simply calculates the line items, the subtotals, and adds in the blanks. So if we execute it, we can see the actual sum only calculates the sums of the line items, whereas the actuals are calculated in full, including all the subtotals and the blanks, which we put a 0 in for, and the plan's the same. Now we're back looking at a matrix visual. Here we can start with our line items and we can drill down into the accounts, and then from the accounts we can drill down into the individual documents. Here we've demonstrated how we can use UDFs in order to simplify our P&L process. The reusable logic can be taken across our actuals or our plan, or indeed various other scenarios, such as forecasts or prior year.